Hello everyone, welcome back to Aurochen TV. I am your Prajesh again with my personal car scale model collection. I'm going to take you through all the scale models I have of various manufacturers and different models. So let's go on for a detailed tour. Yes folks, so this here is my complete collection of car scale models, and let's take a look at what all brands do I have. First of all, at the start I have placed Indian manufacturers such as Tata Motors, including the Nano, Sierra and the Indica. That is also the very legendary Ambassador at the front as well. And we have the Jaguar Land Rover group over there right behind the Tata, and we have Mahindra on the right side. Well, I have only these three Mahindra models. I wish I could get more, but still it is completely all right. So all the other manufacturers are global, apart from these Tata Motors, Ambassador and Mahindra. And all these scale models are not from the same brand. As you can see, these are from Shinsei. The Indica, Sierra are from Shinsei, and so are the Scorpio and the TUV 300. The Xylo is from official Mahindra merchandise, whereas the Ambassador is from Senti Toys. So let's first talk about the Senti Toys made scale models I have. We have the Ambassador at first, and then I have the Toyota Innova over here, and then I have the Ford EcoSport at the back, placed in the Ford group, and then also I have the Maruti Suzuki Dzire placed separately. So that was the Senti Toys I possess. The Shinsei, as I already told, I have the Sierra, the Indica, the TUV 300 and the Scorpio from Shinsei. And the next thing is KinSmart. Well, I also have some KinSmart scale models. Let's start with the Jaguar over here. This Project 8 XE is from KinSmart, and so is this Hummer. And this Toyota RAV4 is also from KinSmart as well. And I also have a Mitsubishi Evo over here. This here is the Evo 8. This is also from KinSmart. So that was KinSmart. Other scale models include Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Maisto and all. For example, this BMW over here, this is from Maisto. And yes, this is also a KinSmart item, this M3. And the rest of the things are included by Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Maisto, etc. So as you can see, this here is Jaguar Land Rover. So that includes the Jaguar XK, the Project 7 and also the Project 8 XE. We have the separately placed McLaren and Pagani over here, and we have the Ferrari lineup over here, including the Enzo at the back, and the Fiat Abarth 500 is a lonely model, so it is placed separately just beside Ferrari since it is also Italian. And just behind Ferrari we have the Volkswagen group, starting with the Bentley, Audi, Bugatti, Porsche, and we have a few Volkswagen models here as well, including the Golf. And I also have a single Lamborghini Murcielago in this group. Well, my complete Lamborghini collection is right on my personal desk, which I will show you later. For now, let's cover this group over here. And moving further towards the left, we have the Tesla Model X and the Model S as well. And just beside that we also have Aston Martins, well, reminding you of James Bond movies. Just behind the Aston Martins we have Lotus and Volvo. I have placed the Lotus and Volvo together because they are now Chinese owned. And just behind that are the Hummer range, including the HX, the H2 and the pickup as well. And just on the right side of that you get the Toyota range, including the Innova. So we have the RAV4, we have the RAV4 non-pickup version as well, and we have the Subaru over here, the Subaru Impreza, the hatchback and the sedan version as well. We have Lexus, we have Scion, and we have two Celicas, and there is also a Supra. On the right side of the Toyota range, you get to see Chevrolet, which includes the Corvette range. So this here is a very old Corvette, and moving further down the line, you get to see one among the latest Corvette models. So this specifically is a ZR1, and we have a convertible as well. Now this here is the Camaro range, starting with the Z28 and coming up to the latest one as well. Just behind that, we have the UV range of Chevrolet, including the Tahoe, the Avalanche pickup, and the latest Avalanche as well, along with the Traverse. And just beside that, we have Cadillac and Pontiac as well. So you can see that. Now just behind that, we have a Desire. Just behind the Chevrolet range, you can see Dodge and Chrysler, which includes the Charger range from the older model all the way up to the latest one. And we also have two Vipers, and we have the Dodge Neon at the back with the Chrysler 300C as well. Now these here are some concept cars which are not from any specific brand. These are basically from Hot Wheels concepts, and I have placed them separately. Talking about German brands, we have BMW over here, as I already showed you. This here is one large Maisto scale model, and just beside that we have Hot Wheels M4 along with the Kinsmart M3, and we have Maisto Mini Cooper as well, along with the Maisto BMW X5 and the M1. Next comes Mercedes-Benz, which I have only 4 scale models of. So you can see that I have a CLS, I have the latest AMG GT. However, I don't have an SLS AMG, which is quite a bummer. I will soon be collecting that as well. Now let's come on to Honda. So we have only 4 Honda models over here, which includes the Acura and the Honda Civic as well. There is also the Honda S2000, and I have 2 Acura NSX as well, since they are a part of Honda Group itself. Just behind the Honda range, you get to see the Ford range over here, which includes a large Sentitoy Ford EcoSport scale model over here, and just at the front you get to see the legendary Ford Cobra concept with the Ford Crown Victoria police car, and there is also a Fiesta race car over here along with the Ford Torino, and I also have a Ford Maverick as well. Just behind that, you get to see the old Ford GT and the new Ford GT as well. These are from Hot Wheels. And I also have one single Ford F-150 Raptor. And just at the back, you get to see the Ford Mustang range, starting with the 67 Ford Shelby, and this here is the latest, one among the latest Ford Mustangs over here. Moving away from the Fords, we have the Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi group over here. Well, as you can see, you get to see the Nissans. At first, I have a Skyline and a Silvia and also a 350Z. Whereas in the Renault group, I have only 2 cars over here. So this here is the latest Megane RS scale model from Hot Wheels, which I just opened. It is fresh and brand new. Just behind that, you get to see the Mitsubishi range. This here is the LC200 pickup, and that is the Evo from Kinsmart over here. And I have also the Evo 10 from Hot Wheels along with the Mitsubishi Eclipse. And finally, last but not least, I also have these individual models. So this here is the DeLorean, famous from the movie Back to the Future, and this here is the Kia Stinger, which is the lone Kia model I have currently. I will be collecting more Kia models soon, and this here is a sort of a reminder of my childhood. This here is the Panos GTR, which became famous from the game Midtown Madness from Microsoft. So this is a car I love. It may be in bad shape, as you can see it is broken, the wheels don't revolve, but still it is one among my favorite in my collection. So that was my complete collection, well, almost complete collection of scale models of cars. I will be now showing you my Lamborghini and Tata Motors collection. So this here is my complete Tata Motors collection, starting with the Nano, and I also have modified one red scale model of the Nano to make it look like my megapixel Nano. So as you can see in clarity, so this is how it looks like in actual, and this is also a scale model of it. Then I have a Vista, and I also have a Zest. So apart from the Shinsei models I have at the back, including the Sierra, Sumo and the Indica, the rest of the 8 models are from Norev, made in China, obviously, and these are official merchandise from Tata Motors. And at the back I have a Tata Aria, I also have a Xenon, a Venture and the Manza Club Class Elan as well. So all these look great, and so does the Shinsei Sumo. However, this Sumo is in orange color, which I don't actually prefer, but still it is completely alright. It looks unique. I would have preferred definitely a white color Sumo, which is no problem. Now let's check out my Lamborghini collection. Yes, this here is my Lamborghini collection I have placed on my personal desk, and this includes models from Kinsmart, which include the Miura and the Huracan as well. Both these are from Kinsmart, whereas this Centenario is from Burago, and all the other things are from Hot Wheels, starting with the Countach over here. And I also have another Murcielago. Apart from the Maestro Murcielago I showed you over there, then here is the Gallardo from Hot Wheels. Then I also have an Aventador, a Veneno, and this here is the latest Lamborghini Urus from Hot Wheels as well. At the back we have more conceptualized models, including the Aventador J without the windshield, and this here is the Reventon in orange. Weirdly, the Reventon looks best in gray or black, but instead I have an orange one, which is completely alright. I am okay with it. And this here is the Sesto Elemento along with the Centenario over there. I am aiming to collect more Lamborghini models, including the Sian as well, and I am desperately looking for a Lamborghini Diablo as well. So this is my personal Lamborghini scale models collection, which I absolutely love till date. Finally, let's take a look at this 1:18 Norev made official Tata Nano merchandise scale model, and this scale model is one among my prized possessions. That's because this includes incredible detailing such as working steering and working axles, and you also have working independent suspension setup on all wheels. And as you can see, the underbody detailing is incredible, including the engine, which is located at the back with proper silver finishing as well. The back suspension too is properly working, as you can see. So this is incredible detail for such a scale model. And other details include that you can actually open the front doors pretty easily. Let me show you that. Yeah, so this is how easy it is. And if you open the doors, you get to see the actual interior of the car itself, and this is how the interior looks like. So including the instrument cluster over there, the steering wheel and everything, the detailing is amazingly fantastic, including the 3 pedals in the pedal box for the driver. So this is a proper scale model of incredibly amazing detail. And then the pièce de résistance, which is the opening bonnet at the front, which also includes a removable spare tire. Yes, this here is the removable spare alloy tire, and it even has the proper Tata logo on it. You can clearly see that. So that is how amazing the detail is. And if you remove the spare wheel, this is how the inner side looks like of the Tata Nano's bonnet. It is exactly like the Tata Nano actual car's bonnet. So that is amazingly incredible detail. Let me just put this back inside, and that's it. So this is my most prized possession in my collection of scale models. Not just because I have an actual Tata Nano, it is actually because this scale model is incredibly detailed and amazingly high quality, while also being so damn heavy for such a small car. I wish Tata Motors made more scale models of more of their cars, including the Nexon, Tiago, the Safari and all. But still, this is completely alright and I absolutely love it. So that was my rather modest, decent car scale model collection, including various brands and manufacturers. Do let me know what do you think about my personal car collection, and do share if you have a separate different collection as well. Stay home, stay safe. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.